pros and cons of working with a big company or the small company. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to define a big company as a company that has more than 20 employees in the office, not talking about salespeople or contractors, installers. For the smaller company, it's 20 or less. Now, my first job in this industry was in a big company that was sold to a private equity. Now, I did not understand it at that moment, now I do. And so it was a big company. And it was a great company, really. I learned a lot from them. However, there were so many people in the office that were just doing nothing. It was kind of a mess, okay? And there was there are pros and cons of working with each company, with the big or the small one, depending on what kind of claim you're working on. And so if you are trying to claim a commercial roof worth of $5 million, then most likely attorneys will get involved, most likely you're gonna have engineers and yada, yada, yada. Then you do want to work with a big company, that's true, because they have resources and they have engineers or attorneys on the payroll, so they will do that job for you, versus a small company will not do that. If you're working on a smaller claim, like a roof replacement or a kitchen claim under $100,000, that is a very small claim. Insurance companies, they don't even pay attention to those claims. No one will ever involve attorney or engineer or any third party on the claim less than $100,000, just because it's not cost effective. And so that means that you do not need those perks. But the perks you're getting working with a smaller company is that they stay accountable. There's no people to blame. So make sure that you hire who you need, depending on what you actually need.